George Floyd, I can't breathe. So he said,
Black life matters, black life matters, black life matters, black life matters.
But in my eyes don't see, mouth no feet talk home. See how we living life, oh, not the people. See I am not free, still I'm a slave. We living life, oh, not the people. Take a look in our society, there is no room for the black man. What we gonna do now? Every other day see the people dying, but nobody cares. What we gonna do now? See, I don't know how you feel out there, but one thing for sure, everything will be alright. Don't lose your faith, stand real tall. Me tell you, say to give up now, it's gonna be alright. Until my eyes don't see, mouth no feet talk home. We living life, oh, not the people. Say I am not free, still I'm a slave. We living life, oh, not the people.
to George Floyd, I can't breathe. So he said,